Are your circle laser engravings turning out squished and not in a circle? I'm going to show you a super easy fix on how to correct that. That will give you perfect results every time. I'm Ashley and this is Chip Builds, so let's jump into it. So we are going to plug in our rotary and then line it up as best as we can. I made this 3D printed jig so I can hold my wine tumblers and my coffee mugs on there easily. So we are going to thread on my coffee mug here, just to make my life easier. That looks great. We're in xTool creative space here and I have my circular logo, but when I engraved it before, it came out all squished, even though on the screen it's a perfect circle. So the way to fix that is it's going to seem super dumb, and all we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this little link and click it so that there's a strike through it. And now I'm going to break a golden rule of design. And we're going to stretch this out. You want to do about 10% or so. You kind of have to eyeball it. I think that's good. If we undo it and then redo it, I think that's good. And so let's engrave this on another cup. And so we're going to come up to our process on build plate and click chuck rotary. Let's move this 90 degrees. We'll zero out our Y. And then I'm going to check this again. That way the aspect ratio is locked. And I'm going to make my design 2.75 inches and center it up and just see where we're at. And for the setting here, we are going to use my tumbler setting, which is the blue light, 100 power, 300 speed, and 300 lines per centimeter. So I decided to go back and stretch it out just a little bit more to give it more of that oval shape. And one of the ways we can test and see what our design is going to look like is coming up here to this little preview button. And then as you can see, that's looking like a more normal shape. Whereas with this, the normal shape, if we did the preview with its normal dimensions, you can see how that looks squished. So we are just going to stretch this out till it's a nice oval. And then you can test this as much as you want. And then that looks perfect to me. And so this is the one that we are going to engrave. And then I want to frame out my design. So I'm going to do a final frame and see. All right, that looks great. So let's hit process and then we can hit start. And then now we can hit the button. All right, let's get this off of the chuck. And now that looks more like what we were going for. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which version you would rather have. Let me know if you have any comments or questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. But how awesome does that look? As always, I'll list everything that we use down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya!